Saturday. Last day. Not sure what we're going to do yet. Vendor shows later today with the raffle tickets and whatnot. Looks like we're gonna go do Landslide.
Yeah, it's like a 7 with a 5 intertwined or something. New trail. Don't know anything about it.
Yeah. We got Drew and the puppers.
Get back in time for the vendor show and the raffles and
yeah.
Alex and Johnny are supposed to be joining us, but we waited for like 45 minutes. Didn't hear anything since we pulled out. Flood of texts.
Of course. So headed up the mountain. Looks like we'll be close to where Plan B is.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah.
Where Plan B?
I believe he said it was like off to a little bit from Plan B where you start coming around the backside.
This is how we lose public lands. This is all just picked up from the same spot. Ridiculous.
While we were out at Competition Hill, there was a bunch of trash we picked up. Please leave the places you go to better than it is, as we don't want to lose places like this. With the trail ride done, our trip came to an end. Thank you all for the love and support. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and get out and be adventurous.